What's your English level? Beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Let's find out. Hi everyone, my name is Joseph, but you can call me Atem. In this lesson, we're going to have an English level test to understand your level of English. I will give you questions divided into 3 different levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And you will have 5 seconds to come up with the answer. And if you need more time, you can pause the video, think about your answer, and then play it again. Also, I will explain the grammar and vocabulary in every question so that you know why your answer was wrong if it was wrong. So, let's jump in. Choose the correct sentence. He don't like coffee. He not like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. The answer is C. He doesn't like coffee. But why? For negatives in the present simple, we use doesn't with he, she, it. I go to work by car. I go to work by a car. I go to the work by car. The answer is A. I go to work by car. But why? We say by car, by bus, by train, no article. They lives in Canada. They living in Canada. They live in Canada. The answer is C. They live in Canada. But why? After they, the verb has no S, so we say they live in Canada. She can to swim very well. She can swim very well. She can swims very well. The answer is B. She can swim very well. But why? Modal verbs like can are followed by the base form. She have a new job. She has a new job. She having a new job. The answer is B. She has a new job. But why? With he, she, and at, we use has in the present simple. There is some milk in the fridge. There is a milk in the fridge. There are a milk in the fridge. Well, the answer is A. There is some milk in the fridge. But why? Because milk is uncountable. So we use some, not a. Nice work so far. If you get 0 to 3, you are at the beginner level. But if you got 4 to 6, nice work. Let's move up to intermediate. I have seen him yesterday. I saw him yesterday. I have saw him yesterday. The answer is B. I saw him yesterday. But why? With the finished time, we use past simple. Choose the correct question. Did you ever try online learning? Have you ever tried online learning? Do you ever tried online learning? The answer is B. Have you ever tried online learning? But why? We use present perfect for life experience. He did a serious mistake. He made a serious mistake. He has a serious mistake. The answer is B. He made a serious mistake. But why? We say make a mistake, strong collocation. Your success depends on daily practice. Your success depends on daily practice. Your success depends on daily practice. The answer is B. Your success depends on daily practice. But why? The verb depend is followed by on. If I will finish early, I call you. If I finish early, I will call you. If I finished early, I will call you. Well, the answer is B. If I finish early, I will call you. But why? First conditional, F plus percent will plus verb. If I was you, I will take this course. If I were you, I would take this course. If I were you, I'd take this course. The answer is B. If I were you, I would take this course. But why? Second conditional is used for imaginary situations. I finally, to finish the project on time, managed, could, succeeded. So the answer is A. Managed. I finally managed to finish the project on time. But why? Emphasizes effort and difficulty. Your files are everywhere. Please back them up. Back up them. Back them. So the answer is A. Your files are everywhere. Please back them up. But why? With phrasal verbs, pronouns go in the middle. The results were very, so the visitors were unhappy, disappointed, disappointing, disappoint. So the answer is B. The results were very disappointing, so the visitors were unhappy. But why? Disappointing describes the thing, not the feeling. Choose the correct word. Reported speech. Where did you learn business English? He asked where I learned business English. He asked where had I learned business English. He asked me where I have learned business English. Well, the answer is A. He asked where I learned business English. But why? Past simple usually stays past simple in reported speech. The contract yesterday. Signed, was signing. The answer is B. The contract was signed yesterday. But why? Passive voice is used in professional and business English. Choose the best word. Clear communication is one of his greatest drawbacks, assets, coincidences. So the answer is B, assets. Clear communication is one of his greatest assets. But why? An asset is a valuable skill or quality. Great job so far. I'm happy you've taken this English level test. Let me know in the comment below what's your score, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Peace!